stuffed mini sweet peppers are made in 10 minutes and it's great for holidays. If you follow vegan or plant-based diet, this is going to be an excellent dish. You can make this without using any potatoes or rice, a healthy option if you're looking for a low-carb diet. So keep watching and let's get started. Welcome to Shine with Shobs. This channel is all about making you shine with my healthy diet and building your emotional strength. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new updates from me. For this I'm taking 8 mini sweet peppers. Did you know that sweet pepper comes under copper-rich food which helps with arthritis problems? It has manganese which plays an important role in brain functioning, great source of vitamin C and B3 which helps keep your skin clear and glowing. Now I'm going to slit top side of each pepper lengthwise. Leave the stem on. Remove seeds and membranes. You may use your fingers or use a paring knife to remove. You see there's not much seeds inside. It easily comes out. I'm just going to discard it and keep the pepper aside. Let me show you a different way to cut. Just cut the top off and discard the seeds. This is another way to stuff peppers. I'm going to continue to cut lengthwise and discard the seeds. This way it's much easier to stuff. Bright and beautiful, all done. I'm going to lightly brush the peppers with oil. This is totally up to you. This will bring out the roasted texture and avoid getting over dry in the air fryer. Looking lovely. Now let's prepare the filling. Heat a heavy bottom pan. I'm going to dry roast some fennel seeds. Take 1 teaspoon of fennel seed or saunf, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds or jeera. In low flame, dry roast for 2 to 3 minutes. It smells so good, the aroma is fantastic and this helps with digestion. Once done, grind it to a fine powder. I love to use pestle and mortar to grind spices. Then cut 2 green chilies, 1 large onion, 8 to 10 cloves of garlic. In the heated pan, add 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Add green chilies and chopped garlic. Garlic is so good for you. Health benefits of garlic have been recognized for centuries now. I love to use plenty of garlic in my cooking. Saute for about 10 to 15 seconds over low to medium flame. Now add the chopped onion. Did you know that red onions are full of sulfur compounds that protect the body from ulcers and various cancers? I grew up using red onion in general, so I'm used to the taste. Saute for a couple of minutes until they get translucent. At this point, add dry roasted fennel seed and cumin seed powder, which we grinded before. I wish you can smell it right now. This is going to add the flavor and taste to our filling. Great for your heart health as well. Saute for a minute. Now I'm adding pink Himalayan rock salt. Add around 3/4 teaspoon or according to your taste. Give it a good mix. To this, I'm adding 1 cup cauliflower rice. This cauliflower rice comes in packet and I quickly microwave for 5 minutes. It's available in store. It comes in handy to prepare quick low carb meals, so I love it. Instead of stuffing with rice or potatoes, I thought of making use of this cauliflower rice, which is going to be a healthy stuffing. Just mix it for 30 seconds and here is the tip to keep it moist. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut milk or oat milk. This will help the filling not to get over dry. Now this looks great. To this, add black pepper for additional flavor and to better absorb food you eat. Yes, black pepper helps with that. Mix it in, and here comes the best part, almond flour. Add half cup of almond flour. This is going to help bind the mixture. It's a good source of protein and vitamin E. It's gluten-free, great for a healthy diet plan. Just saute for 5 to 10 seconds. Don't cook almond flour for long. Look how gorgeous this stuffing looks. Always make sure to taste the stuffing before filling. So flavorful and tasty. Let's start to fill the mini sweet peppers. I'm going to take each piece and generously fill the peppers. Make sure to open it up and fill it well so that you get to taste the filling when you bite into it. Usually in the northern part of India, peppers are stuffed with potatoes. They taste so good, but after the age of 40, you look for low-carb diets. Due to hormonal changes, we women tend to put on weight, so I started creating recipes which is tasty and healthy. This stuffing is perfect for 8 mini peppers. Looks fantastic. Ready to air fry? Preheat the air fryer for 3 minutes under 375°F. Now open the lid and place each piece carefully inside the basket. Make sure they are not overcrowded. I use Gourmet air fryer. Each air fryer is a bit different with the setting. Close and set it for 5 minutes under 385°F. After 5 minutes, open to see how they turn out. I'm going to keep it for some more time. Air fry for another 5 minutes under 385°F. Now let's see. These look ready and perfectly roasted in the air fryer. Wow, I can't wait to taste. You can also use a fork to prick and see if it's getting through to test it out. Perfect. Now plate it and serve it hot right away. Enjoy this delicacy with your family and friends. Keep your body healthy, skin glowing, and good for hair growth. If you like this recipe, please share it with your friends. Stay tuned for another exciting recipe and don't forget to shine with Shobhs.